What are stretch marks? Stretch marks typically appear as bands of parallel lines on your skin. These lines are a different color and texture than your normal skin, and they range from purple to bright pink to light gray. When you touch stretch marks with your fingers, you might feel a slight ridge or indentation on your skin. Sometimes stretch marks feel itchy or sore. These lines commonly appear during or after pregnancy or after a sudden change in your weight. They also tend to occur in adolescents who are rapidly growing. Stretch marks aren't dangerous and they often disappear over time. What causes stretch marks? Stretch marks are a result of skin stretching and an increase in cortisol in your system. Cortisol is a hormone naturally produced by your adrenal glands. However, having too much of this hormone can make your skin lose its elasticity. Stretch marks are common in certain circumstances. Many women experience stretch marks during pregnancy as the skin stretches in numerous ways to make room for the developing baby. This continual tugging and stretching can cause stretch marks. Stretch marks can sometimes appear as you rapidly gain or lose weight. Teenagers may also notice stretch marks after a sudden growth spurt. Corticosteroid creams, lotions, and pills can cause stretch marks by decreasing the skin's ability to stretch. How do stretch marks form? The skin is composed of 3 layers. The epidermis is the outermost layer of the skin and responsible for protecting us from the harm. The dermis is the middle layer of the skin and consists of connective tissue and cushions the body from stress and strain. The hypodermis is the last and the deepest layer of the skin. The outer layer of the skin, the epidermis, is supported by the elastic middle layer, the dermis. The dermis is supposed to stretch and bounce back, but rapid weight gain, pregnancy, and other factors sometimes cause it to tear instead. The tearing causes lines like scars called stretch marks to form on the epidermis. What is collagen and elastin? Collagen and elastin are proteins that are found in the middle layer of the skin, the dermis. Basically, collagen is the glue that holds our body together. It is a type of fibrous protein that connects and supports all of body's tissues, bones, tendons, and cartilage to its organs. It gives your body's tissues its form, firmness, and strength. It gives your skin flexibility and resilience. This allows it to stretch without damage under normal growing conditions. Elastin is a protein that works together with collagen to keep the skin tight despite its flexibility. This gives your skin the ability to bounce back and allows it to return to its original shape after being pulled or stretched during normal day-to-day activities. If the skin has sufficient amounts of collagen and elastin, it is able to adjust to stretching exercise or even gaining weight. But if these proteins are depleted for some reason, it loses the ability to bounce back, which will cause stretch marks. Who is at risk for developing stretch marks? The following put you at greater risk for developing stretch marks. Being a woman, being Caucasian, having a family history of stretch marks, being pregnant, having a history of delivering large babies or twins, being overweight, having dramatic weight loss or weight gain, using corticosteroid medication. Medical treatments for stretch marks. There are several ways to improve the appearance of stretch marks through medical treatment. Retin A or Renova works by restoring collagen, a fibrous protein that helps by giving your skin elasticity. It's best to use this cream on recent stretch marks that are red or pink. Pulsed dye laser therapy encourages the growth of collagen and elastin. It's best to use this therapy on newer stretch marks. Darker-skinned individuals may experience skin decoloration. Fractional photothermolysis is similar to pulsed dye laser therapy in that it uses a laser. However, it works by targeting smaller areas of your skin, causing less skin damage. Microdermabrasion involves polishing the skin with tiny crystals to reveal new skin that's under the more elastic stretch marks. Microdermabrasion can improve the appearance of older stretch marks. The eczema laser stimulates skin color production so that stretch marks match the surrounding skin more closely. However, you don't need to resort to extreme or expensive measures necessarily to get things done. There are many natural options that are available for people just like you that are seeking results to reduce the appearance of their stretch marks at home without hundreds of dollars spent on treatments, topical creams, and surgical procedures.